Before I can start with the monthly overview, I have to read out this risk disclosure for your own protection. There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without any adverse effect impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria chat room constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell. Good morning, everyone. This is Jaak here, directly from Estonia. You know what time it is? It is time to give an overview of what happened in July with Auvoria Prime. As you probably have noticed, the summer is flying by very fast, and this is the first video I'm doing as a monthly recap. I've been sending out only written recap so far, but I'm gonna do a video because many people are so busy today, they just don't have the time to read it through, or it goes into their spam inbox and they will never see it. So let's dig in. First of all, oh wow, what a month. When we talk about social trading, if you don't know what social trading is, it's something that is best suited for people who have no experience in Forex or just simply don't have the time to dig into manual trading or even using automated trading. So it actually works like a hedge fund in a way. You just put your money into a PAM account with a verified broker, and then somebody else or automated systems will be trading your funds. Profits and losses will be shared proportionally depending on how much you put into the fund. So, but yeah, let's get down to business. So, looking at my little notes here, the best performing Fingo Pro solution or social trading solution for July was Fingo Pro 4, which trades indices and also Forex pairs. It did a whopping 25.43% of profit just for 1 month, which added up to around 67% profit for the year. Now, pay attention that this 25% is not a common month, so this is actually a really special month, I would say. So don't expect these results to come in each month. Now, the next one was Fingo Pro 2, which is our manual trader trading gold. There's still some drawdown on Fingo Pro 2, but it actually had good results. It made around 8.7% profit, which added the year up to 55.51% profit. Third one was Fingo Pro 1, which actually just from this week had a change in the manager. The fund manager is somebody else now. It's actually a team of people that have, they have over 7 years of track data, and you could actually see it right away. Already this week has resulted in 4% profit. But for July, Fingo Pro 1 had 2.61% in profit, which added up to about 12.64% profit for the year. So if you are somebody who is in Fingo Pro 1 right now, I wouldn't personally consider getting out of it because the fund manager was changed. I would give it another couple of months to see how the new fund manager will be performing. And of course, you can always look at the last AP Nation call where there was given an overview of the new fund manager, also sharing results for the last 7.5 years. So make sure to go look at that. Last but not least, Fingo Pro 5, which is using Kratos. It made 0.36% profit for the month, and for this year it added up to 13% profit, which is not bad either, considering when Fingo Pro 5 was started. Now, I'm not completely sure if Fingo Pro 5 is reporting the results correctly on my FX book. I have to double check that because, for example, Fingo Pro 4, there's an MyFX book link for it, but it's useless to look at it because it also includes profits and losses. Because it also includes deposits and withdrawals as profits and losses, so the numbers are off there. Now let's go to automated systems where the user has actual control over the settings. I'm going to talk about Kratos, the so-called official account that I've been monitoring for Kratos did 5.57% in July, which added up to 45.6% for the year. My own personal account for Kratos did a little over 11% because I've been doing also some manual trade management there. The second system, called Flash, did a little over 5% in the account that I've been monitoring, which adds up to 76% profit for this year. Now, this account has been running only Forex pairs so far, but from this month also gold was added to it with the so-called Flash X gold profile that has been running for, I think, a year or even longer on some accounts. So the results probably are going to be going up from next month. And for Kratos, there was an update released, Kratos 2.0, which added two functions. One of them is trailing stop loss for the first trade it takes, which is a really good feature. It takes, more profit into your pocket. And the second one is chill out mode, where the user can adjust how many levels Kratos can open before it stops taking any more trades. So if the first trade doesn't go into profit, it opens a second trade or third trade, then you can actually set a number where it limits the number of trades it can take. So if you have set it to 3, for example, it means that it will open 3 trades per pair, not more. Now, last but not least, Crypto Advantage. There we have 2 different systems. One of them is, I call it Dart Dex, the liquidity pool, which has been very safe because it doesn't do any trading. The results have not been as expected. Last month did around 0.7% profit, which adds this year to a cumulative profit of 13%. And last but not least, Dart Trader, the manual trader who's trading users' crypto, did a little below 5% for July, meaning that this year is up around 66%. And actually that month was really good, considering that this trader needs volatility, this trader needs volume to make good trades, but the volume was basically not there in July. So 5% is actually a very good result. Now, something I wanted to add before I finish this video is a really important question: why this year has been so profitable with Auvoria so far. I would say there's 2 main reasons for it. The first one, and the main reason, is the people, the team that is managing and running and developing Auvoria. Some products were thrown off the platform, and the rest of the products have been getting updates, improvements in risk management, in profit potential. And of course, there's been also new people coming in with their know-how. For example, Kratos, new EA on our platform, basically from this year, and also Crypto Advantage, Dart Trader is a new guy on our platform, and both both of these, the system and the guy, they are performing really well. So I think Auvoria has cracked the code on product development, onboarding, stuff like that. So let's see how the rest of the year will pan out. But so far, everything is running very, very well. Of course, you can expect there will always be drawdown with such things, because, as you know, the higher the risk, the higher the potential of wins. So if you want more profit, and I would say 50% plus profit in half a year is actually it's unheard of in most cases, and especially if it's actually able to do it for a year or longer time, it's amazing. So end of my rant. If you want more videos like this, if you like these videos, click subscribe, click like, and see you in the next one.